How to use NBA stats for quick price picks decisions. To use NBA stats for quick price picks decisions, right? For example, you're trying to basically choose one of the players from NBA for quick price picks decision. You have to first check their recent performance. You can review the player's last 5 to 10 games for trends in points, assists, rebounds, etc. You can analyze matchups. You can consider opposing the team's defensive stats like their points allowed or pace of play. You can also focus on their key metrics. You can look at the usage rate, minutes played, and shooting efficiency, for example, FG percent or 3P percent. You can also leverage their projections. You can compare price picks projections with expert models or advanced metrics. You also must account for injuries because factor in injuries or absences affecting a player's role or opportunity. This way, you can quickly align stats with price picks props to make informed, more or less decisions. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.